Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I'm Brenda. Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to make some guacamole to go with those delicious taco chips that I fixed just a little while ago. This is my ingredients that I use. I use avocados. If you order them and they're a little bit green, let them sit out in your window just like you would a tomato or something if you want it to ripen, and then it gets the ripeness that you want within a couple of days. Lime. I've already got some stuff chopped up here. I've got garlic, I have onion, red bell pepper. This is a Roma tomato, and that's got cilantro on it. Look, how about that? My son got me these. Isn't he just the best thing in the world? This is the Forged in Fire knives, and he got me the set along with the meat cleaver. I really do like them. Really do. Now, let's go ahead and get the avocados sliced up. I want to try doing the quartering it to see if it's easier. I hear it is, that it's easier to quarter them like that in order to remove it, so that you don't have to, oh yeah, that's so much easier, look at that. You don't have to whack your knife on it or anything in order to get it to peel. So yeah, that's great, I like that. And then just take a spoon and scoop it right off of there. And that just, yeah, yes, that's the tip of the day right there for these avocados. Getting that seed out and not worrying about damaging your knives or anything. Just don't half it, quarter it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's, yeah. That is a perfectly ripened avocado right there. Sure is. Now this one is still a little green, I think, but it should be alright to use. It's a little bit bigger, but it was sitting in the window the same amount of time, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. But, oh, I've also got some salt on my veggies that I've got cut up over there already for this. So, but I like to use 2 medium-sized avocados. That one was a little bit small and the other one was a little bit big, so we're good. Ta-da, there you go. Something about an avocado seed. I think they're cool looking. I don't know what it is. Probably just me being weird, right? Maybe. You don't know. Alright. I gotta wash off my hands right quick. And all those avocados, they can have that little film about them that, ew, I gotta get them off my hands. I just do. Alright. Now, let me rinse off my knife. Now, I'm going to, you can just give this a little roll around on the counter to soften it up. Get those juices flowing inside there. And then I'm just going to cut the top off of it. Like that. You'll have to excuse me. I'm not used to using these knives so much. And I'm being extra careful because I don't want to go away missing a digit from my new knives. I'm just running this knife up in there to be able to get more of that juice out. I love limes. My goodness. Alright. Yeah. You see we're using the whole lime, all of the juice of this lime. Here we go. Now. Okay, had to run over and get me a fork and a spoon right quick. And just going to go ahead and give this a good mash up. You know, I'm not so sure that that second one was as ripe as I had hoped it could be. It's a little tougher than I like, but that's okay. And again, I'm keeping my hand over my bowl so stuff doesn't go flying out everywhere. I promise I'm going to try here real soon to get some clear bowls so that you all can see more of what I'm doing. Because I'm having to use a bowl that's smaller than I would typically use. Shorter, I guess I should say, in order for you all to see what I'm doing here. Because what good is it to have a cooking vlog? Can't see what I'm making, right? But we're going to get this all mashed up, and then I'm going to start adding the other veggies over here that I've got diced up already. I'm going to start adding that to it. This is a guacamole recipe that I came up with after we went to California to get on a cruise, on the Panorama cruise, her final voyage before the COVID thing started happening. So we ate there in Long Beach, and I watched him make it, and I was like, you know what, I can do this. I can do this. This is some great, great stuff. I see what you're putting in there. I can make this at home. So, I watched, I tweaked, I learned, and I have it. Sorry, I'm making a mess. But, you know, you can, if you like it chunky, leave it chunky. It's all up to you. This is just the stepping stone to get you where you need to be with this. Okay? That's all I'm doing. I'm just giving you the tools that you need to make some awesome guacamole. Guacamole, mole. Alright. Now, get this fork out of there. And like I said, this is garlic, teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic. This is one of the green onions that I used. You can use any onion you want. One little small red bell peppers. This is a Roma tomato. Everything's been de-seeded. And I'm using dry cilantro in it. And it also has pink Himalayan salt. That's what we got. Look at this tomato trying to get away. Alright. Now, we're going to start folding this all in. My goodness. This bowl is very small. I think I should have went one size bigger at least. Right? I'm sorry, let me get that cleaned up. I'm just going to give it a stir around. Make sure everything's all mixed up. And then here in just a minute, I'm going to get Tom to come back in again. Do his little taste test with those chips I made in my last vlog. Those taco chips. We can have us some chips and salsa. You can always go to my Facebook page at Nana's Hidden Apron, and it's handcrafted by, to get a lot of the recipes that I have. If they're mine, they're on there. If they're not, then they may be listed, but, you know, all the ingredients may not be there. Alright, now, first thing is first. I'm going to put this in a real pretty bowl, for presentation. I'll be right back. Got everything done. Got the chips ready. Have the guacamole ready. This is completely keto. Let me show you all this. Don't that just look yummy? Yes. Fresh homemade chips. Yummy sauce. Yummy guacamole. I don't know. I have salsa on the brain, I guess. Now, we're going to give it a try. Let's see if our chips stand up to the dip test here. Mmm. Oopsie.
My turn. Going for the scoop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good stuff, huh?
Wow.
Got a thumbs up. I think when I do the chips again, I'm going to leave them in a little bit longer, like for the 20 minutes in the oven after it bakes. And I'm going to bake it for 20 and leave them in for 20. Now she did say, you know, it all depends on your oven, but I think ours could be just a little more. See, I'm trying right now to get that on there, and it's a little flimsy. So, but they taste great. They do. I'm going to lick my fingers. Sorry. We don't want me to get it all over my phone, right? But I'm going to finish out the vlog. And thank you all again for watching. I hope you all give this a try. If you do, then go to All Day I Dream About Food. Go to her YouTube page. Let her know you tried it. Give me a little shout out saying that I told you to go there. Okay? So you all take care. And we're going to get off of here because this man is really wanting he is really wanting this chips and guacamole. How about that? I called it guacamole.
I never had this before. We went to Mexico a couple of years ago. It was the first time I'd ever had this, and I fell in love with it. It's amazing. This stuff is really good. Y'all really need to try this. Wow.
He's talking about trying guacamole in general. Because they do have some of the best guacamole. Sorry, that is just really good. At Mr. Sancho's in Cozumel. But this is some really good guacamole right here too. Good stuff. And like I said, I actually saw it made. They made it right there at the table when we were in Long Beach. If I can remember the name of the restaurant, we'll put it in the description somewhere, or just along here somewhere to let you all know what the name of it was. I just can't recall what it is right off the top of my head. We were enjoying ourselves tremendously. But you can see those vlogs on KY Travelers YouTube page. You go over there and check those out too. Me and Tom and some of our family just cruising around, traveling, having a great time. But that's that. You all take care. Have a good afternoon. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.